Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix and resolve DirectX not installing problem on Windows 11. So to resolve this problem, you can try some method. Open any web browser. Now here search .NET. Repair tool. Then press enter. Now open this official Microsoft link. Now here click on download. Double click on this setup file. If it will ask permission, so click on yes. Check this box. Then click on next. Now follow these options. Now here click on next. Then next. Wait for a few minutes till this process will be complete. And once this complete, click on finish. Now try to download and install DirectX in your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Hopefully guys, using this method you can fix and resolve this problem. Thanks for watching. Comment this method work for you or not.